Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can set up navigation on Google Maps. So let's get right into it. Now, you can mainly do this only on the, mobile app version. There really isn't any navigation on the PC version, which I'm using now. However, there is a direction option where you can choose your beginning and end point, and that will show you the precise directions, which you can then screenshot and use at a later date. However, it is much more useful to have real-time GPS navigation, which you do have available on Maps. Now, I'll quickly show you how this is done on PC. You literally just have to right-click any sort of location. So for example, let's say the corner of East 53rd and Madison over here, just click here and click directions from here. That's going to set up your beginning spot, and then just choose whichever address you would like. So for example, the corner of 2nd Avenue and East 57th or East 70th here on Green Kitchen, for example, and that's automatically, once you click on it and select that new destination, it's going to show you a couple of different routes which you can take with one main route and alternatives, and that is pretty much it. Now, on mobile phones, to create or to start navigation, you need to have your location settings turned on, and you need to have your precise location turned on as well. Once you do that, then you will be able to just tap and hold or just tap on any business or anything of the sort to get your destination location. Then you just have to pick either directions or even just simply click start, which will be shown as an arrow icon. And then once that starts, it's going to show you real-time GPS navigation, which you can use to find your way to your selected destination. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.